Easy Lift Equipment DC-powered drum dumpers are the safe and ergonomic solution for picking up a drum, transporting the drum to the required location, and dispensing the drum into a tank, mixer, or hopper. ED models are available with a variety of clamps that offer either 360-degree side rotation or 180-degree forward rotation. This model features our 180-degree forward rotation FSR forward strap rotator clamp. Drum dumpers with lift, an FSR clamp, and forward rotation feature two ratchet straps for handling a steel, plastic, or fiber drum from 12 to 24 inches in diameter, and can rotate 180 degrees forward for dispensing. Standard capacity for a drum dumper with an FSR clamp is 800 pounds. Before operating any of our drum handling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. Prior to using the drum dumper, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, battery, and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, turn the unit off, tag it out of commission, and contact a supervisor immediately. This clamp features a forward strap rotator plate, which is designed to mount two ratchet strap assemblies, thus allowing an operator to secure a drum. The rotator plate is ideal for strapping in between the center ribs of a steel drum. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all control functions are in proper working order. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator, including switches for lifting and lowering, and a 180-degree rotation both forward and back. Standard DC-powered drum dumpers include two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries, which are housed in a closable cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and a gauge-type battery discharge indicator. To charge the equipment, first ensure the drum dumper is turned off. A polarized heavy gauge extension cord is required to connect the unit to a standard 120-volt wall outlet. Do not operate the drum dumper while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. Charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. The charger has separate indicators for each battery which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. However, for multi-shift operations or high-volume applications, Easy Lift Equipment now offers an exchangeable battery option. Unlike the standard DC cabinet, the exchangeable battery DC cabinet does not include an internal charger, but instead features two Anderson SB175 connectors mounted within the DC box, as seen here. This allows the operator to easily disconnect two low-charge batteries and replace them with two fully charged batteries in under 2 minutes. This option is available at time of order either with or without a charging stand. Once testing is complete and the equipment is sufficiently charged, release and loosen the ratchet straps. Then, disconnect the ratchet straps from the T-hooks of the rotator plate and ensure that the straps are entirely out of the way prior to approaching the drum with the drum dumper. In cases where drums are tightly nested on skids, a drum transporter will be required to remove a drum from the pallet prior to being able to secure the two nylon ratchet straps of the FSR clamp around the drum. That process is seen here. With the drums nested tightly on a skid, it is not possible to maneuver the ratchet straps fully around the drum in order to securely strap it. It is important to ensure that the bungs of your drum are in the appropriate orientation for an FSR forward rotation clamp. Ensure that the bung holes are perpendicular to the hydraulic line guard. Here is an example of the bungs of your drum shown in an appropriate orientation for this forward rotation clamp. Here is an example of the bungs on your drum shown in an improper orientation for this forward rotation clamp. Begin by turning the equipment on and disengaging the step-down foot floor lock to begin application. Press up or down on the lift switch so the FSR clamp is in line with the vertical center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. Push the drum dumper forward so the FSR clamp makes full contact with the drum. Engage the foot floor lock. It is important to ensure the FSR clamp is making solid contact with the operator facing side of the drum prior to strapping the drum to help ensure a secure grip. Failure to ensure solid contact with the strap rotator plate can allow the drum to shift during transport or rotation. Once the drum is making solid contact with the strap rotator plate, pull the straps across the drum and connect the D-ring of the ratchet straps to the T-hooks of the rotator plate. Pull the straps through the ratchet mechanism to remove any excess slack. Then tighten the ratchet straps by pumping the handles to take up any remaining slack and increase the tension that holds the drum against the rotator plate. Only when both ratchet straps have been fully tightened is it safe to lift the drum for transport. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to the required destination. Darcore ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs accordingly. Always engage the step-down foot floor lock prior to walking away from behind the equipment. Failure to engage the foot floor lock prior to walking away from the equipment could cause property damage or serious personal injury. Raise the drum by pressing the up switch. Dispense the product by pushing the forward rotation switch. The clamp rotates at a controlled speed, enabling easier positioning and to accurately dispense the drum 180 degrees forward into a tank, mixer, or hopper. Optional scale systems permit an operator to dispense the contents of drums by weight or perform inventory. Scale systems allow the operator to monitor the overall weight of the drum being dispensed, stopping when the operator reaches the desired drum weight. However, an alternate method used when dispensing by weight is to start at 0 and measure up to the desired weight. This is achieved by tearing the scale once the drum is elevated to the dispensing height, resetting the weight to 0, and allowing the operator to clearly monitor the weight being dispensed from 0 to the desired target. Both options are very accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into smaller containers on floor scales for dispensing, which increases worker productivity. Select indicators can be hardwired to printers or configured to wirelessly transmit to PLCs. When dispensing, never leave the unit unattended. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical orientation by pressing the backwards rotation switch. Lower the drum. And ensure the bungs or lid have been closed accordingly. ED drum dumpers come standard in safety orange powder coating for durability, but are also available in FDA-compliant metallic gray powder coating, as seen here, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. FDA and stainless steel construction include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, as well as corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. To release the drum from the FSR clamp, first lower the drum fully and place it on the floor. Then disengage the two ratchet strap mechanisms and pull them open to create slack in the straps. Detach the D-rings from the FSR clamp T-hooks and move the straps out of the way. Move the drum dumper back slightly and away from the drum. Using a drum transporter, return the drum back onto the skid as required. Remember, it is not possible to place or remove a drum on a tightly nested skid with the FSR clamp, as it is not possible to maneuver the ratchet strap mechanisms when drums are close together. Secure the straps back onto the FSR clamp and using the ratchets remove all slack so that you are not dragging the straps around when the drum dumper is in forward or reverse travel. Dragging the straps around during travel could lead to the straps being run over by the drum dumper, thus causing damage to the ratchet straps, the FSR clamp, or the drum dumper itself. Other popular additional options for this model include the exchangeable battery option, as discussed earlier, an anti-drift brake motor for suspending an unbalanced load in a rotated position for an extended period of time, a counterbalanced base frame in lieu of a straddle leg base frame for extended reach purposes. When finished, you should always place your drum dumper in a safe location, lower the FSR clamp, engage the foot floor lock, and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.